Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable BitLocker Drive Encryption on Windows 11 step by step clearly. To enable BitLocker Drive Encryption on Windows 11, first, click on the Start menu. Type Control Panel in the search bar and select it from the results. In the Control Panel, look for System and Security and click on it. Next, find and select BitLocker Drive Encryption. Locate the drive you wish to encrypt. Click on the Turn on BitLocker option next to the drive. The BitLocker setup wizard will now open. Choose how you want to unlock the drive at startup. You can select either to use a password or a smart card. If you select a password, type in your desired password and confirm it. After that, click Next to proceed. You will now need to choose how to back up your recovery key. You can save it to your Microsoft account, a USB drive, a file, or print it. Select your preferred option and follow the prompts to back it up. Once done, click Next to continue. Then, choose how much of your drive to encrypt. You can select Encrypt use disk space only for faster encryption or encrypt entire drive for full security. After making your choice, click Next. Now, select the encryption mode. Choose New Encryption Mode for fixed drives or Compatible Mode for drives that may be used on older versions of Windows. Click Next to proceed. You will see a confirmation screen with all your choices. Review your settings, and if everything looks correct, click Start Encrypting. The encryption process will begin, and this may take some time. During this process, you can continue to use your computer. Once the encryption is complete, you will see a notification. Your drive is now protected with BitLocker Drive Encryption. You can close the control panel when finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.